Guys, if you want to have better erections, a better sex life, lose that gut, get some energy back, put on some muscle, you need to pay attention. I'm Dr. Eric. I'm talking on behalf of Elite Body and Laser Center. You need to call us today if you want all of these things and more. I'm going to talk briefly about hormone optimization therapy and sexual wellness. A lot of my male patients come and see me and for these reasons exactly. Feeling tired, losing that pizzazz. They're gaining weight, they're getting some fat around the love handles or the gut, they're having problems with erections, their sex drive is down, and it could be from a lot of things, and that's exactly what I treat. So whether it's advanced treatments like PRP therapy or the P-shot or Gainswave shockwave therapy, which treats the actual cause of the condition, and I treat the entire patient. It's a holistic approach. I look at your lifestyle, your nutrition, your fitness, your supplementation, and definitely hormone optimization. Sometimes that's the missing piece. Don't just go to one of those mill clinics that are just going to run you through every patient through every 5 minutes, just give you a shot of testosterone and call it a day. There's much more to it than that, guys. We have to optimize all of your hormones, not just testosterone. And there's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. I treat the whole patient. It's about with hormone optimization, it's a missing piece. It's not something that we lose. We're not actually doing replacement there because it's something we're born with, but we're optimizing it. We're making it better. We're turning back the clock, extending our health span, not just our lifespan. We don't want to just live longer. We want to live better, stronger, more vital, more virile, better in every way. That's what we want to do. We want to optimize these things. So come in, call us today, come in for an appointment, and we will address all these issues with you and more. We'll treat the entire patient. The hormones, the nutrition side, we'll treat the underlying cause of any issues with erectile dysfunction or hormone optimization that are necessary. Get you feeling better, get your manhood, your livelihood, your vigor, get it back. So call us today, reach out today, go to the website or call today, and let's get you in and get you set up. Thanks, guys.